A very common interview question is giving an array of elements, let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 55, 30, 1, 4, 2. Can you identify the unique element and create a new array of only the unique element? Let's code some pizza. JavaScript is a language. Don't be scared of JavaScript. JavaScript is very flexible. JavaScript is your friend. It's not magic. Don't be scared of JavaScript. A bit complicated. Quite a bit complicated.
Next time we'll start making it a bit prettier.
There is a very easy way to do this is using sets. Since sets are pseudo arrays where elements are unique, I can just say that I want an array and use the spread operator, bring the set back to array. So I want an array which is made from a set, which is made from the array. 1, 2, 4, 55, 30. So that's it. If you know about sets, that's it. But let's make it more difficult. Let's say I cannot use sets. The historical way to do this was using objects, because in objects the keys are unique. How do we do that? So const unique array is equal to unique array hash. I think it's better if I use few variables and I show you the step. So I reduce these, and as usual I have my accumulator, which is a hash, and I have my element, and all I need to do here is initialize with an empty hash, and in here I want to see the hash of EL is equal to hash of EL is equal to true. I don't even care if it existed before, I just care that at this point it exists. I can say true, I can say 1, it's irrelevant, I only need to know that it exists. And now I return hash, and now const reversed array is equal to object.keys of unique array hash, and now I can console log unique array, and now I can console log unique array, and the result is pretty much the same. I lost the information they were numbers. That's not ideal. That's because every key become a string when I call the keys element. How can I solve that? Well, instead of saying true, I can actually save the value of EL keys. I can say values, so I get the actual values of the key. And that's definitely more universal because it works even if they are number. I think that's it, and let's code some pizza.